Kinakailangan magkaroon tayo ng reflection, ano? Bakit pa tayo nagtatrabaho? Unang-una, kaya naman tayo nagtatrabaho. Natural naman sabihin na kaya ako nagtatrabaho kasi kailangan kong kumita para pakainin ko yung aking pamilya, para masunod ko din yung mga gusto nila at sarili ko, para sarili ko din. Tama naman, di ba? Kaya lang, merong pinipresent si Lord na mas malaking meaning ng pagtatrabaho. No? Sa totoo lang, ang work, kung babasahin mo yung Bible, started in Genesis. No? When God created man, He created mankind in His image and likeness. Meaning to say na meron siyang ability na mag-create. May ability siya na mag-create ng value. Yun ang pinagmulan ng work. No? Kaya nga inassign niya sa garden si Adam and Eve, no, para magtrabaho, to put order to His creation, i-manage yung creation niya para maging blessing sa ibang tao yung kanyang kinreate. No? So in other words, God created out of nothing and man is supposed to create something out of the created things na kinreate ng God so that what He created will become a blessing to His fellow men. No? Totoong-totoo yan pagka tinignan mo yung ganitong illustration, ano, God did not give you a chair. He gave man a tree. And man fashioned a chair out of the tree. He used his imagination. He used his hands. He used his planning ability. Everything that God gave him, he was able to use. So, doon ang gagaling yun. In other words, lahat nagmumula sa Diyos. So, work started from God. And God gave us the ability to work. And with our work, we create value. And therefore, as we create value, we get paid. And in return, we create more value, then we get paid. Ganon din ang business. As the business creates more value, it gets paid by the customers and therefore it's able to create more value. It gets more and more from its customers. So, pagbutihan mo lang yung creating of value, ay magkakaroon ka ng pera. Money is going to run after you if you know how to create value. So, doon nagsimula yun.